how's it going, everyone? This is Michael with 15 Cent Pressure Washing, and today we're going to talk about cleaning slate rocks. Do we pressure wash them? Do we soft wash them? Just how do we go about cleaning them? Alright, so we got some slate rock here. As you can see, it has accumulated quite a bit of mold. We're not going to clean the driveway or anything. We're going to clean the slate rock through here. We're going to talk about how to clean it and how to keep it from becoming damaged like this here. As you can see, the mortar, we'll probably just take that out for right now until we get done cleaning, but the mortar through here can be very fragile. So if you just come through and you pressure wash all this, you're going to tear mortar out of here, and then the top layer of the slate rock can also get broken down and break off, and it will look very fresh. You'll be able to tell that it's broken off. So our main objective is to ensure the protection of this slate rock, and we wash it the proper way. All right, so let's get down to it. How are we going to clean the slate rock? I want you guys to comment down below right now and let me know how you would clean this fragile surface. Go ahead. All right, if you said pre-treating and medium spray, you are correct. We are going to pre-treat the area. So we're going to kill all the mold, help to loosen the dirt. So when we go to spray this stuff off, it's going to spray off very easy. Now we are going to use a medium pressured spray. By medium pressure, I mean we would be able to put our hands out in front of the wand while we're spraying if we wanted to. So it's definitely not going to be a high pressure wash, because like I said earlier, it will damage the slate rock. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to wet all the bushes down first, just so if any overspray is involved. We do not want the overspray damaging any plants or anything like that. We've never killed a plant, and we don't want to. So ensure that all the vegetation is soaked down really good. And I'm gonna let the machine run while I'm doing this, while I'm treating this area. But if I feel that too much overspray got on a plant, like right here, you can see how this is pretty close to this plant here. So quite a bit of overspray is probably gonna get on this plant. So we're gonna make sure that we soak this plant down really, really good. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do is cut our soft wash machine on. This is our power switch. Don't mind the wiring, y'all. Like, we've recently just rewired this. So we're gonna go ahead and cut her on. Filled up. Now we always leave our water turned on. It's always opened. We don't never close it. Now we're gonna set this to where we want it. This has a little play in it. So we're gonna bring it back just a little bit. Open it up just a little bit. And we will start pre-treating the area. Now, as you can see, I've already started pre-treating. What we're gonna do is we'll come through and spray that just like that. So there. Now that's what I've done all the way through here. And you can see how everything's been turned brown. It looks a lot cleaner. Now this stuff is going to be really, really easy to spray off. We won't have to actually pressure wash it. Now down through here, considering we're not going to clean the driveway, we make sure this area is pretty wet as well. Just so when we get some runoff from pre-treating the slate rock, we're not cleaning the driveway. Because that wouldn't look good if this part right through here was clean, but then it wasn't here. So, all right, now that we've pre-treated it, we're gonna come through and rinse everything off. Now, so far I've wetted all the bushes down. I soaked them. I've kept my machine running. So whenever I pre-treat any of this, too much gets on vegetation, go ahead and spray it off. Now I've already pre-treated through here like I showed you guys. Now I'm gonna go through and spray it all off. Watch how easy this stuff comes off, y'all. Just like butter, baby. Now this is the proper way to clean slate rock, y'all. Did you see how easy that sprayed off? So the method I showed you guys, this is the proper way to clean slate rock. It's gonna save you a lot of time. It's gonna ensure protection, you know, because you're not gonna damage any of their surfaces. And it's also gonna help the slate rock to stay cleaner longer versus just pressure washing. Mold spores could still be there, but we're killing all the mold spores, right? So it's gonna take a lot longer for that mold to grow back versus if the mold spores were there. And I hope this video has helped you guys out. You know, I want to appreciate you for watching. If y'all have any questions or comments, leave them down below, man. Like and subscribe our channel, and we look forward to putting out more information for you guys. Wash on.